Hey, hopefully you're having a great day. Right now it's a little bit nighttime where I am. I decided to kind of just film this video for you because I had a couple extra moments. My name is Bryce Tubbs, and today we're just gonna be talking about bookkeeping business plan examples. Basically, like what are some bookkeeping business card ideas? So one thing that most people don't really think about when they're first getting started outside of the website is their business cards. Now, a business card should generally be very, very simple. It should just be your name, have your website, your phone number, and your email address. Now, a lot of people understand. They're like, "Yeah, Bryce, I already have a business card. Cool. Well, what about the most important business card that you probably even realize is a business card? Your LinkedIn profile. Is this optimized? Have you told people you're actually starting a business? Do people actually know that they can book a call on your calendar? Do people know exactly what service you provide and how those services help them out and who you work with, where you work with the people, and really just about you? If that is not set up correctly, you're really committing suicide to your business, right? Because people are going to be checking that. If they see, you don't have like a business profile, they say that you don't actually promote your business, they're going to be thinking that you're like, a fly by night person where it's like, you're not really dedicated to your business, you're not really focused on it, and they're going to have a really hard time trusting you to go and do your books and or sorry, do their books and really provide a good service. So the first thing you have to do is you have to really, in addition to your own business card, go set up your online business card. Make sure that presence is nice. Make sure that you have a professional picture. Make sure you've been talking about your business. Make sure that you really highlight how you can help and make it very feature. You want it to be having the features, but make it very benefit rich. So a benefit rich, what that basically means is service so that you. Most people are doing the features. For example, this phone has a power button. The benefits, the reason why people actually buy that is because we have a power button on this phone so that you can press a button, it automatically turns on versus you having to dig your fingers in, take it off the back, press the battery directly, and then it takes forever to load. Okay. The reason why people buy it is not because it has a power button. It's not because you can do bank recs. It's so that blank, so that it powers up automatically, so that they don't have to do it themselves, so that they know it's done correctly. Okay, that's the most important part whenever you're having like a profile, even your website or your online communications that most people just don't really understand. Now, if you don't know what to say on your LinkedIn profile, the number one thing that I recommend is you maybe go and get some help. So the number one thing that you can do to get help, especially if you want help from me, is to go ahead and click on the link either above or below the video to book a call through my calendar. Inside of that call, we're going to basically look at where you're currently situated, and we're going to look at like where do you actually want to go, and make sure that this vision and this goal is clear. And once we have that clarity, we can say, so you have to do this, this, and this. And if it makes sense, we're going to work together in this capacity over this time period in this way so that we can ensure you actually reach the goal versus you trying to figure it out yourself. If that sounds attractive to you, if you want to be able to build the plan so that you can reach your goal, notice how I just dropped the benefit. Go ahead and click on the link either above or below the video, and I'll see you inside the call. And anyway, back to what we're saying. So you have to make sure that this is good. So for example, James, when James first got into the program, he had been trying to start his business. It was like he had been in business for like I think 4 months, and he just wasn't really getting clients. Like he was mixing like trying to get tax clients mixed with bookkeeping clients, but it was like in the middle of the year, and people weren't really thinking about their tax returns at that moment in time, right? So he came to me so he can start getting some bookkeeping clients. The first thing that we did was I just gave him a LinkedIn template, and it basically showed him exactly what to say on his LinkedIn profile so that business owners understood that, he was actually open for business. And some people when they're in their career, they are afraid that if they were to, you know, talk on their LinkedIn about their business, then their current employer might get upset or something might happen with that. Number one thing you can do in that case is just start a new LinkedIn account. Start from scratch and make sure you block the people at your existing job. Um, Very simple as that. But what this person actually did was he updated the LinkedIn profile, and immediately he got outreach by someone in his existing network who's like, "Oh, you're doing this thing for yourself? I was wondering when you were going to do that. I've been looking for someone to help me out with this thing, but I just didn't know who to come to. Can we maybe see if you can help me out?" He's like, "Yeah, let's see if I can help you out." The guy's getting paid 8 grand a month from just that one LinkedIn tweak. And that's why LinkedIn is your best online business cards. It's even more effective than your regular business cards, because if you can set up correctly, people who already know you are going to be able to either tell their friends that you're in business finally, and slash, or they all get a notification every single time that your business actually posts or it updates its status on LinkedIn. So they're constantly getting hit by your marketing, constantly getting hit by your message in a way that just a traditional business card just can't do. Especially traditional business cards get like caught, they put them in their wallet and they put it on their island, and then they just in the sea of business cards, and it's really hard to stand out. But if you have your LinkedIn there, it makes it so much easier. So that's number one thing you need to do. Okay, set up your online business card, get your LinkedIn straight, make sure you can move forward really, really quickly. And once again, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want some help, go ahead and click on the link inside of the description or the comment section below to book a call with me to see if I can help you. If it's a good fit, we can work together. If it's not a good fit, you're going to have a game plan. I'm going to point you in the right direction for you to go and reach your goals. Either way, you win. I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you on the call. Talk soon.